Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the Microsoft error code 0x80073D02 on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, there's an initial checklist of certain solutions like checking the internet connection, date and time, etc. The next solution would be to run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. For this, right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. Select Other Troubleshooters. Now scroll down to the bottom of the list and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. The next solution would be to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command wsreset and hit Enter to clear the Microsoft Store cache. The next solution would be to repair or reset the Xbox app. Go to the Settings window once again. This time, go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on Apps and Features. Scroll down to Xbox. Now, since the list is in alphabetical order, you will have to scroll down a lot. And once you reach Xbox, click on the three dots corresponding to it. Select Advanced Options. In the Advanced Options window, scroll down to Reset and you'll find the options to both repair and reset it. Then, the last solution would be to re-register the Microsoft Store. Copy the command line mentioned here. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane corresponding to Windows PowerShell. This will open the elevated PowerShell window. Paste the command here and hit Enter. If this doesn't help either, then you can reset your computer, which has been explained over a separate article and video. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.